Society. Today we're unboxing the 156 centimeter Isla.
And she is 5'1".
This is WM doll.
It is so soft. I love it.
She comes with a blanket. WM spoiled us. We got some extra goodies, it looks like.
Yeah, blonde, brunette. What else we have? Black hair.
Extra wigs. I did request a brunette wig because I thought it would look really good on her. Here's all of the supplies in the kit. We've got a cute little outfit. User guide. Irrigator. It's not going to stay.
Which you're going to need to clean her.
Gloves. She's got a hairbrush. This is the drying rod. Heating rod. Everything's going to fall. We've got a hanging hook as well. And the adapter for her head. That all comes in a cute little branded WM bag. I mean, a very manly WM bag. Not cute. All right, we'll move all this. Remove the box out of the way. All right, while she's styling her hair, I'm going to talk about some of the cleaning materials it comes with. You're going to get an irrigator. Got it. Figured it out. Whoop. You fill this up with warm water and antibacterial soap. Screw the lid on. And this will go into her vagina or her anus. And you squeeze around, get it all nice and soapy and clean. And then obviously clean this out, leave it open to dry. And then you'll have a drying rod, which is another important part to make sure that she stays completely clean and ready for next use. Making sure that she's completely dried out is super important to prevent bacteria from growing. So once you're done irrigating, you're just going to stick this inside and leave it for a couple hours or until next use. She comes with a heating rod as well to help with the realism. You plug this in, plug the USB in. This goes inside of her. Probably 3 to 4 minutes is long enough, no more than 5, or you can risk damaging it. Simple as that, just unplug it, make sure you unplug it when you're done. And these all come free standard with all of their in-stock dolls. She'll come with a user guide that gives you instructions all about posing, position of the doll when delivered, range of movement. Talks about shrugging shoulders, the hands, the forearms, the position of the waist. That way you don't try to extend too far and accidentally break her. Knees, how far the legs go. And in the user guide of all of the WM products, on the very last page, you will see a certificate of authenticity with a scratch-off code that you can enter on their official website just to confirm that it's real and legit, not a knockoff. As you can see, she's not. This is not a blow-up doll.
Definitely
We've
not.
come a long way.
Extremely.
We've got 2 other wigs to try on her. Even though Ray just completely styled her, I'm gonna make her life harder.
Removing the wig is so easy too, and styling is super easy.
Oh yeah, and then
the hair feels amazing.
Save your netting, especially if you have multiple wigs, which you will with our September promo on sexyrealsexdolls.com. And that just goes right back over the hair to protect it, keep it tangle free for next time. You can stick it right back in the bag as well. She's a bald queen. I love this one.
I do too. Oh, it's really soft.
Stuck.
Something. I want to pull it.
Stuck on this hook. So for the wig caps, once you stick them on and we didn't do it because we're trying all of them on, there's a band here that you'll just connect around the base of her neck to help it stay on. If you have issues with the wig staying on and slipping, you can also use double-sided tape. Fabric tape would also be great. If you just type in women's fabric tape, you should be able to find what I'm talking about.
This wig is really nice, I must say.
I like this one the best so far.
Yes.
I don't think she's a blonde.
No, she's for sure meant for this wig.
It's giving Kim.
It is.
I just feel like with her eyebrows.
Yes, it's her complexion.
And her
I for
skin
sure think
tone,
she's
yeah.
a
I might have to steal
lady.
this wig from her. Oh,
The wigs
she
are
came with a
very
little thong.
easy to
She came with a little thong.
brush through, yeah.
I love this. The hair is very, very soft.
Yes.
It's very realistic hair.
Is it real? I know, it really, it feels real.
This
100%.
is not a costume wig. You would not find this at Party City. Wow. It feels real.
Yeah, you can run your fingers through it.
That's crazy. Most costume wigs, like what you would buy at a costume store or Party City or probably Amazon, to be honest,
Here, we can
you
do this.
would not, even fresh out of the box, you're not going to be able to run your fingers through it. They're plasticky.
They don't
This-
feel real.
this
at
feels
all.
like real
This
hair.
is definitely real.
It's actually real hair.
I feel like it is. It has to be.
That's so much money though. Like real hair wigs are so expensive.
Yes, they are.
Is this real hair?
It has to be. There's no way it's not. And
That's-
if it's not, then
I don't know what they're using, but they're on top
okay.
of it.
I see how to. This is pretty simple once you actually figure it out.
Probably once you have the hair up, it's easier too.
You can go like this. There we go.
So you'll connect it behind, and obviously, depending on the level of activity, you may want the fabric tape as extra hold. That way,
Support.
you're not,
Not
she's
moving
hot
around.
balled, but maybe you're not into that. That way, mid play, you're not dealing with a baldy. I love this wig.
She's gorgeous.
The realism on her is insane. She's got veins. Like, they're actually perfectly placed as well. The booby veins are.
They're great.
Neck veins. My own.
Yeah, it's on there really snug though. With that strap.
All right.
Can
Try
open
to
her
stand
mouth?
this. No,
Is this one does? No.
It's not, unfortunately. It's just kind of lame.
I could totally play with
Oh,
her hair
this
all
is
day. This is
incredible.
amazing.
Like, I'm gonna braid it real quick.
Yes.
And give her pigtails with me.
Pigtails. As long as it looks good with the.
Here's my washer. Beeping at me.
Oh,
It's okay.
I can't braid worth nothing.
Aw, what?
I mean, kind of.
I
Like
just want to
this,
see
yeah.
how it looks.
Like a loose. Yeah, so you're doing it tighter. You can do it to this side. I like
I'm
the
just
loose
gonna do
braid.
one.
Yeah, and combine
One
it
on this side.
on the side, for sure. Do like one piece around.
Huh?
Make it a little bit messy, you know. There
We're
we go.
hairstylists now. It's just the quick before bed braid.
Make your hair wavy in the morning.
Most of these people are not going to know how to braid, but if you want to learn, it's pretty easy.
Extremely easy. Simple braids are for it's all I know how to
It's a new
do.
hobby. Learn how to braid. Learn how to do her hair. That one piece is not long enough. Well, still cute.
It's great.
I like that. That's cool. All right, let's stand her up.
Does
And
she
then-
stand on her own?
Yes.
Okay.
I would 100% brush her hair before you put it back in the bag.
To prevent
Because
any snarls.
just doing that, she got a little tangly. Just a tiny bit.
And always start from the bottom.
Like
it
normal hair
works the
tangly.
best.
It's long hair, so it's gonna tangle. It's just what it is. But
Perfect.
alrighty. These toes are irritating me. All right,
She's only 5'1". She's
I know,
almost the height as me.
She's going to be very short compared to us. Let's scoot this table back.
Yeah.
So for us, obviously, the easiest way to do this is going to be to hold her down. And especially for someone by themselves, this will be the best method as well. Her legs a little bit so she can, oh no!
That's all right.
See, there's the bald baddie. She came out to play.
We can put the blonde wig on her now. Don't they have a stand to go with it too?
Not with the bolts part.
It's really not that bad though. You can hold her up pretty easily.
We can't show this part on YouTube, but we're going to investigate for you. I can't tell. That's crazy. Yeah, blonde's not her.
Definitely not. But if you're into blondes,
We'll give it away. We'll give this wig away for free because
Yes.
she's not a blonde.
it's her skin complexion. I think she's definitely made for black hair.
Yeah. All right.
Set her up.
How did we do this last time?
Her neck
we
does
did-
move
no,
as well.
We did her legs first. That's
Yes,
why.
legs
okay,
first.
so we've figured this out. Legs first. Don't try to lift her up by her head.
Upper portion.
The legs
Yes.
is where all of the momentum comes from, and then I can literally do it by myself. We gotta cover that. We can't show that on YouTube's. We get in trouble. You look sad. Sit up straight. Now, since she's clearly not a blonde, we're gonna give this wig away for free. Make sure to subscribe.
It's a beautiful wig though. For sure.
Make sure to subscribe. Follow us on all of our socials. Drop a comment. So, full range of motion of the arms as she's being styled. She tried to broke me. She can go all the way up. She could do yoga if you want her to. Back down.
This is a beautiful wig for sure.
Just not for
Nice
her.
waist.
She's too pink.
Yes, with the pink undertones. She's definitely meant for brunette or black hair.
Yeah, that long black one's my favorite.
Yes, certainly.
They should probably.
Yeah, that's not showing in there, is it? I
She
think
does
it
not
is.
have articulated toes. Her toes are just.
Let's
for
put
the
these on her.
TBE.
Can we do this?
Hopefully. Oh, these are the Chinese made thongs.
Yes.
They connect in the back. It's like a puzzle.
Just hold her back so she doesn't fall backwards. It's a little bit more real that way too.
She's wobbling. Oh, just dislocated her toe in the process. So her toes come plain. She's got a French manicure on her hands, and then she's got natural toes. She's a little emo right now.
Now, is she fully customizable?
Yes. Now, we did get the in-stock version of Isla from WM, but she is fully customizable on sexyrealsexdolls.com. You can customize the color of everything, eye color. You can pick her wig. You can pick her nail color, her toenail color.